My wash plant is finally ready to show you. I need to get a better battery, and also the pump. I started with an 1100 gallon per hour pump. That wasn't really enough. I don't know much about pumps, so I assumed it would be. Then I put two on there, two 1100 gallon per hour pumps. That still wasn't enough. So I did away with those and I bought a 4,700 gallon per hour pump, which I imagine would have been plenty. And as it turns out, I think I really need some sort of petrol powered motor pump. This will do the job, but nowhere near the water flow that I would like. But that's okay, because at the very least I could just use my trommel. The place I want to go to is so much rock, it's unbelievable. It's like even hard to dig, so the trommel at least would sort out the soil from the rock. So it's not a complete waste of time. I may even just have to do away with this large sluice and just use my small stream sluice. There would be plenty of water flow for that. But anyway, I'll show you, and I'll just make changes when the time comes. Okay, to start with, this is the sluice box, which you've seen before, but I've finished putting the riffles in. I wasn't able to get some more expanded metal after the last piece got pinched. This is only offcuts that I've had to weld together. There's the diffuser flap to slow the, well, I thought it would slow the water flow down, but that's not necessary anyway. There's the miner's moss, and there's a bucket for recycling the water if I was in the desert or somewhere with my pump, my 4,700 gallon per hour pump. At the moment I've got it hooked up to a car battery charger inside the shed, so without that it wouldn't even run, because that battery's cactus. And there's my trommel. There's plenty of videos online showing how to make these. It's just a couple of buckets put together, some wire, and my hopper is just a cheap and nasty container. And I did have holes going all the way around, assuming there was going to be plenty of water flow, so I've had to tape up from here around to here just to stop so much water coming out. Now it only comes out along here, which is enough. You'll see there's enough. If I put dirt in there and clay, I can sort of mix it together with my hand and it'll do the job. But like I say, all I gotta do is just use the trommel if need be. The place I want to go to, I'll probably go there in the next day or so, and you'll see what I mean. There's so much rock there, it's unbelievable. And so I'll hook it up and show you. So there's the water flow. There's plenty there to mix up dirt. There's not really a lot of clay where I'm going anyway. I just need to wash the rocks, so that's plenty. There's the trommel. It speeds up and slows down because of the battery charger. Must be intermittent charging or something. And a little bit of water flow coming through. I probably won't use the sluice box with it until I get a better pump. That just drains back down into here. Now there's plenty of riffles in here, not these ones, but in the mat itself. I made lots of indentions. This mat is made from a treadmill mat, and I've just glued strips together and stuck them on there. So there's all the way up, there's these gaps. I don't know if you can see them very well. There's plenty of places along there, deep trenches for gold to get stuck in. Even if I had more water flow, I don't think I would have a problem. I think loads of gold would get caught way up here somewhere. And so there you have it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you find lots of that shiny stuff, and I'll see you on the next video. To say a very big thank you to my latest subscribers, NQT Q Explorers, Gold Prospector Tasmania, Chris Ackerman, and Luke, I think it's Laughlin's, Laughglin. I appreciate very much every time someone subscribes, and you know, the comments, just to let me know if I'm doing good. I want to make really good videos for you guys.